Hello guys, here is another tool. This tool is known as GlassWire firewall software. Okay, so this tool has a free version and also a premium version. If you want to download this tool, this is the link here, the URL right up here, and I will be including that on this tutorial. So if we scroll down here, you will see the different options. So this is the free, these are the free options that comes with this tool, and the premium version, that's the paid version, will include all of these options, so here are the system requirement that support this tool. You can read that, and then the hash value of this software is found here. Another way you can get there in order to get the hash is, if you see here, change lock. If we click there, it will bring us here. So this is the latest version of this GlassWire software. So if you click here, it will download the software. I already downloaded it, so I don't need this one, but that's what's gonna happen. So now this is the hash value that we need to use to check if the software has been tampered with or not. So that being said, let's come here to PowerShell. Okay, so let me. I will cd to my download location to make things easy. User tab, arrow. Okay, cd arrow. Okay, cd download. CLS. So now we can see that this is the full version here. You see I have two versions. This one is not a full version, so the hash is different, but this is the complete version here. So we are going to check the hash, get file hash, and then in double quotation we're gonna copy the name of the file for which we want the hash, close the quote, then algorithm, the algorithm will be SHA256. okay, so that's the hash value. That's the hash value. If we compare this hash to this one, we see that we have CC31, and then we have F530B. So if we come here, see CC31 F530B. So the software is okay. So now I'm going to install it. So we have checked our software to make sure bad actors did not do something fishy, so that is a step in a security direction. Okay, so we come here, next, you accept, you read the terms and then you accept them. I'm gonna select this option, use legacy driver. No, I'm not going to go with that. So let's see how long it's gonna take to install. I'll pause the video. Okay guys, it's done, and this is the icon on the screen. Okay, so let's wait for it to come up. So you can see speaking stuff up here. So if you want to go for premium, you can click there and upgrade to premium. I'm not advertising anything here. I'm just trying to exploit the tool. So these are some of the things. So if you want to block something, you just click there and block, good. Let's turn on oh, firewall would require that we should upgrade, so we don't have, I don't have to. So here you can see apps, the different apps that are running, the host, you have the IP addresses, the traffic. These are the logs, firewall logs, and you see you have various total here which can help you to analyze the hash. Activate various total scan. Okay, okay, so we have the so we can enable stuff from here. Okay, so in a nutshell, this is a little tool that can help us analyze stuff, and then also stop them if we want. Can just that most of the options require us to upgrade, to a paid version. Okay, good. Can't forget. Okay, friends, these two I just wanted to experience it, and I think I realized that it has little to offer, because apart from this, you can filter the apps that are running, applications, connections, and then you can either stop them in and out. Okay, if you don't want anything to connect to your system, you can, let me see, under app here we should have yeah, we have Google Chrome. If you want to stop that, we can block it if you want. For right now, let me block. Let's see. Okay. Okay, so okay, I will keep this here. You can